Hello, hello, hello. It is me, Jay Renard, and we are here with, I guess technically the first time I've ever done this, a review. All right, so I believe I've spoken about her before because I bought quite a few things from her so far as supplies, including a lot of really impressive Vimeo thread in multiple colors. Thank you for that. I still use it a lot to this day, although I should be using more of it. Um, so what she did was she made a set of two wallets with the colorway of her pet iguana Freddy. Shout out to Freddy, that guy is awesome. And there were only two, and she wasn't going to be making any more, so immediately I thought, okay, well, I have to have one. So as soon as they were available, I jumped on. I was able to grab one, and here it is. And yes, I am withholding or I'm maintaining your suspense. So this side here is, I guess, technically part of his colorway, but this is goat skin, and the other side is hand dyed American alligator from American Tanning. Shout out to American Tanning, not sponsored. Wish I was though. Hit me up. And here is the other side. So again, Freddy is, I said iguana, I'm sorry. Freddy is a chameleon. I believe he's a panther chameleon. And the color that he is most often is this particular style and shape here. So you got to dig way back to when she was creating this one. She hand dyed all of this, and it turned out very well. This I think this is the first time that I've bought something from a craft, another leather craft creator that wasn't tools or a pattern or some such. So shout out to Miss Boost for breaking me out of my shell. Um, but yeah, I love this one. The downside is I love it so much that I don't use it. Hopefully she doesn't take offense to that. Um, but as soon as I got it, I was in love with it, and I thought, okay, I don't want to mess it up. It's gonna stay in my closet, which is stupid. I know, but not too long after I got this, I started going to farmers markets, and then I started a new regular W 2 job, and that job does not lend itself to keeping things like this in good condition. So once I'm back to 100% working on my own leathercraft and not working on railroads and whatnot, I'll be putting this more to use. But shout out to Miss Laura Boos. Her stuff is amazing. By all means, go ahead and follow her. There's a business card in here. Hold on. If you don't already, what's wrong with you? But go ahead and give her a follow. She does great work. Again, she's based out of the Pacific Northwest. She was working in Seattle where she lived. She's moved recently, but I believe she's still up in the Pacific Northwest, if not still operating out of Seattle. But her stuff is great. I love her, the quality of her work. She's really talented, creative. Thank you very much. Hopefully, I didn't take too much of your time. I'm Jay Renard, and I'm out. Peace.